In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Booking.com and Account.Booking.com. We're going to add or update your address in your Booking.com account, so your details are accurate for future reservations and communications. This is quick, and I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Booking.com website. For the smoothest experience, a desktop or laptop works best, but the steps are similar on mobile too. Make sure you see the secure connection indicator in your browser so you know you're on the legitimate site. Next, look to the top right of the page and select My Account. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your account area. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and do that so you can access your settings. Once you're in, you'll see options related to your profile and bookings. From there, head to Personal Details. This is the section where your basic profile information lives, including your name, contact info, and, importantly for today, your address. Keeping this section accurate helps with confirmations, billing alignment, and certain verification steps that some properties or payment providers may require. Inside Personal Details, choose Add your address. If you've never added one before, you'll get a blank form. If you already have an address saved, you'll see the fields pre-filled, and you can adjust them as needed. Either way, you're in the right place to make sure everything is correct. Now fill in the details carefully. Enter your street address, and if you have an apartment unit or suite number, include that in the appropriate field so deliveries or identity checks don't get delayed. Add your city, state, or region, and your postal or zip code. Choose your country from the list. Aim to match the exact formatting you see on your official mail or billing statements. If your card provider or bank checks your address, matching their records helps prevent payment hiccups. Double-check spelling, spacing, and numbers, and avoid using extra punctuation or emojis, which can sometimes cause validation issues. If your area uses specific address conventions, follow those to ensure it's recognized properly. When everything looks right, click Save. Give the page a second to confirm your changes. You should see a success message or an updated summary of your address. If you spot a typo, you can return to the same section and correct it right away. That's it. You've added your address in Booking.com using the Personal Details page. Accurate account info makes future bookings faster and reduces verification questions. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along with more setup guides just like this one.